चलो
Hi guys, today I will unbox Oppo A5 Pro 5G. That one 8GB RAM, 8 plus 8. The storage is 256GB. Color is pink.
so
This is the color. Pink color. Pink, pink, pink. Saji also like pink. Me also like pink. Our cameraman is Navi
I like
today.
pinky mogi. I don't like pink.
Our Shabazz bhai also like pink. Shabazz bhai. Hanji. Now, green gift na खुश हो ना? मैं तो क्या ना हूँ तो बहुत
Shabazz bhai, you want to tell something about this phone?
See, I already turned on. Now I will activate. He's smiling because he see.
This is
That
free gift,
one-
free gift.
That one I give free. That one also Oppo bag I will show you. Wait, I will activate later. I show you this one. This Oppo bag. Okay. This one.
Wow,
again
very
free.
nice. And shining bag.
This one.
This is Oppo Eco Buds 3 Pro.
I will activate this one. The already activate. See.
जी भाई
Oppo A3 Pro 5G.